When homeowners in Conway think about boosting their property value, big renovations often come to mind: kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, or full exterior makeovers. But one of the most impactful and cost-effective upgrades is often overlooked: installing a new entry door. This single improvement can dramatically enhance curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall buyer perception, making it a smart investment whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to improve your home. First impressions matter more than you think. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained property feel neglected. On the other hand, a modern, well-designed entry door creates a strong first impression that signals quality, care, and value. In Conway's competitive housing market, buyers often make judgments within seconds of arriving at a property. A new entry door with clean lines, attractive hardware, and a complementary color can instantly elevate the home's exterior. That visual impact often translates directly into perceived value, and perceived value plays a major role in final sale prices. Increased resale value with minimal disruption compared to larger renovation projects. Replacing an entry door is relatively quick and minimally disruptive. Yet it consistently delivers a high return on investment. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel move-in ready, and a brand new door suggests fewer immediate upgrades are needed. A modern entry door also photographs better for online listings, helping your home stand out in digital searches. In today's market, where many buyers first encounter homes online, that visual edge can mean more showings and stronger offers. Energy efficiency appeals to modern buyers. Energy efficiency is no longer a bonus, it's an expectation. Older doors often allow drafts, heat loss, and moisture intrusion, leading to higher utility bills and reduced indoor comfort. New entry doors are designed with advanced insulation, tight seals, and durable materials that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For Conway homeowners, this means lower energy costs and improved comfort. For buyers, it represents long-term savings and a more efficient home. Highlighting an energy-efficient entry door can be a powerful selling point during showings and inspections. Enhanced security builds buyer confidence. Safety is a top concern for most homebuyers. A new entry door typically includes stronger materials, reinforced frames, and modern locking systems that improve home security. Even if buyers don't consciously evaluate the door's construction, the presence of a solid, well-installed entry door creates a sense of protection and peace of mind. That confidence can influence purchasing decisions, especially for families or first-time buyers who prioritize security features when choosing a home. Style customization adds character and charm. Today's entry doors come in a wide variety of styles, finishes, glass options, and materials. Whether your Conway home has a traditional, modern, or craftsman aesthetic, the right door can enhance its architectural character. Decorative glass inserts can add natural light to your entryway, while bold colors can make a statement without overwhelming the exterior. These design choices help your home feel distinctive, something buyers are often willing to pay more for. A smart upgrade for today and tomorrow. Even if selling isn't on your immediate horizon, a new entry door improves daily living. It enhances comfort, reduces noise, increases security, and gives homeowners a sense of pride every time they walk through the front door. When the time does come to sell, that same door continues working for you by increasing buyer interest and supporting a higher property value. For Conway homeowners looking for a practical upgrade with lasting benefits, a new entry door is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a strategic investment in your home's future value.